Today, we're gonna use, instead of beef, we're gonna use
Ground pork,
Yeah.
yes.
I would say 20/80, it's perfect.
Right.
And we can, you can go to your butcher and ask him for that specific
The
percentage.
same I use for beef as well. 80-20.
Exactly.
Yep.
You can use some bacon in there. You can grind some bacon, put it in to get more smokiness. And then we're gonna take these bad boys right here that are called guajillo chiles. Guajillo chiles are sweet, they have a very nice flavor. And then the trick to them is we wanna take all the seeds out.
The stem and the seeds.
Exactly. And then if you want it a little spicy, which I love, leave some of the veins in there.
Right, leave some of the...
After we have them rehydrated, we're gonna put them in the blender, just like that. I'm gonna take some,
With some onion?
a tiny touch of that same water.
The water you use to reconstitute them.
Right. We're
Onion?
gonna take some onion, perfect. We're gonna take a few cloves of garlic. We're gonna take some pineapple juice, which really makes an Al Pastor taco. And then we're gonna give it some, nice aroma using oregano. That's
Kill it.
Perfect. Okay.
Oh, turn them off. There
Yes?
we go.
Okay, so now we're gonna add some salt, good salt and pepper to...
The ground pork.
Yeah, the ground pork. Good pepper. And if it's a little chunky, don't worry, we want that.
No, it's fine,
Yeah,
it's
exactly.
fine. It'll give it texture, sure.
Yeah, so we're just gonna mix everything up. I'm gonna use my hands.
Yeah, of course.
The best thing in the world, the best
They only
utensil.
put this out for guests, honestly. I've never made a hamburger. I've never made a hamburger with a rubber spatula in my life.
Right.
Put these babies on.
Yep, just like that.
They look lovely.
We're gonna throw some pineapples in there.
And we've got some over here ready to go.
Yeah, so we have them here. We're just, look at that. That perfect sear is exactly what we want.
All that great color. Color
Beautiful.
equals flavor in food. Will you lift that up for me? I'll put 'em on here for
Caramelization
you.
is key to everything.
Developing the sugars in your protein.
Definitely. So we're gonna now assemble the burgers, and these burgers are gonna be super simple. We're using this beautiful brioche buns.
I love brioche hamburger buns.
We're gonna take a tiny touch of mayo, and this is gonna be like the glue.
Right.
You don't have to put a lot, just a touch, just like that on the
Gotcha.
two sides. And then, simple enough, it's a very simple burger. It doesn't have many, many, many things. We're gonna take some pineapple. We're gonna take some of our beef like that.
Beautiful. Pork.
Pork.
Yeah.
You're right.
Yeah, I know.
I'm so used to saying
Beef, I know.
Yeah. So now I'm gonna make it a little more fun. I'm gonna
Oh, doubling down.
do double stacked burger. Of course, cilantro is a big herb in Latin America,
Yum.
especially in Mexico. And instead of using lettuce, we're putting something that's much more aromatic, that has much, character to it.
It's very verdant. Yeah.
Yes, and then we're just gonna close it like that.
Oh my God.
And there goes your burger.
Crazy. Love